Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to be showing you how to create a Cash App for a business account. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly, so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So first things first guys, we are going to go and be opening the official application. So if you do not already have the application on your mobile phone, what you can do is go to the App Store on your phone. So open up your App Store and go into the search bar. Go to the search bar, search for Cash App, and once you find the Cash App application, you want to install it. So once you install it successfully, we can get started opening it up. You want to open it up and log into your account. So go ahead and log in with your phone number or login details, whichever way you prefer. And once you log in successfully, we can now get started. So we are going to be greeted by this main page right here, which is the home page where we can take a look at our cash balance, our savings, and all the options that we have. And now we can get started creating our business account. So what we're looking for is right here in the upper right corner. In the upper right corner, you will be able to take a look at your profile icon. Take a look at your profile icon. This is your profile picture that you want to open up by tapping on it. So tap on your profile icon, and once you tap on your profile icon, it's going to open up your settings. So you can go and take a look at your settings of your profile once you open it up, and you can go ahead and scroll down. So in the settings of your profile, you can scroll down, and then once you scroll down all the way down, you'll be able to find an option that says create business account. So one of the options in your settings is going to be called create business account. You want to open up that, and then you want to follow all the steps for creating your business account, providing all the info that is needed, and then you can confirm the creation. Once you create it, you will be able to go ahead and log into it normally, and that's how to do it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So guys, thanks for watching, take care, and bye.